Hey there, it is Harry. We will show you 2 ways to brighten face in a photo without Photoshop. The first one is to use Luminar Neo. It is an AI-powered image editor. Here is the process. Import the photo to the application. You can enhance the photo first by choosing a preset. Then go to Edit, Tools. Choose Face from Portrait tool set. Then move the slider here to adjust the face light. Finally, export the image. Now, check out the before and after result. Quite good, right? Also, we can brighten face in a photo online by using Pic Monkey. It is an online image editing tool. First, upload the image. Then go to Touch Up. Though it doesn't have the Brighten Face feature, it has the Eye Brighten tool. Adjust the brush size and move the lighten slider as you like. Then brush over the face to brighten it, and click Apply button. Then check the result. If you want to download the photo, subscribe to unlock this feature, or take a screenshot without paying.